On the other side of the bridge, crossing the mighty Ohio River, is a town routinely ranked as one of the quaintest small towns in Indiana, and for once in my life, I have zero argument. I could go on for hours about all the historic eye candy I photographed while strolling the streets, but someone left the door open at the abandoned mill down by the river, so we'll get to all that later. I marched to the museum to get the backstory on that derelict building. Surely, a local historian would know, and a wealth of information he was. He told me it was an abandoned mill. Well, no shit. Fine, I'll do it myself. Built in 1884, the Eagle Cotton Mill takes up an entire city block, is 4 stories tall, and showcases 100 8-foot-tall windows. Well, it did. The last genius to own it ripped them out to make a buck, thereby allowing rain to saturate and rot the original hardwood floors and joists. Each expansive open floor housed large cotton milling machinery. In the 1800s, Madison was rockin' with commerce and home to Indiana's first railroad. The mill cranked out cotton yardage, tobacco canvas, and twine. It would later manufacture shoes, then plastics, then, oddly enough, became a warehouse for gymnastics equipment. Today, it's in decay. Buildings like this are hard to save not only because of the outrageous cost of rehabbing them, but because they're on the National Registry of Historic Places, whose rules and standards are unbending, for good reason. The Marriott has purchased the cotton mill to transform it into a hotel. That news made getting inside it all the more special. This may be one of the last few moments to see her in her unpolished, original glory. The rest of Madison feels like walking through a movie set, especially at dusk. The best tour guide is usually your own 2 feet. An hour outside of Louisville, Madison is absolutely worth the drive to see a picture-perfect Midwest town. Like everywhere I've been, there's the option to stick to the map and visitor's guide script, or to wander. Only the curious find the hidden treasures. All this walking has made me thirsty, and an hour away there's a ruin, now restored, serving up something called a Kentucky Hug. It smells like caramel and tastes like fire.